how to clear ChatGPT memory. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can clear ChatGPT's memory. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So here, if I ask it, do you remember, and it's going to go ahead and pull that up from that chat that I had earlier, right? So this means that it remembers it. Now, if you want to clear the memory, what you want to do is click on the three dots or click on your profile picture, go to settings, and here you will see all of your options, data controls and everything. Got general options right here. Go ahead and click on to personalizations, and here you will find memory. Now if you have this option on, it will go ahead and save and use ChatGPT's chats as memories when responding to them, and reference chat history. It'll also let them go ahead and check out all of the chat and go ahead and give you the responses. And if you want to delete them, you can either go ahead and turn these off so that it doesn't have access to different chats, or if you just want to delete it, go ahead and click on manage and click on delete all, and here just simply click on delete all and it'll clear memory and everything is gone basically. There you go, memory is now gone. I'll also turn these off as well. So now if I go back, load up, you can see we still have the chats, but if I go ahead and click on copy it and click on a new chat, now it should not have that action. See that? It says I don't have the memory of this chat, so I can't recall past conversations unless they're in the same session. So there you go. So boom, that's how you do it. That's how you can clear memory of ChatGPT. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.